Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using technical analysis, one of the most powerful ways to understand the market. Today we will analyze price movement to identify support and resistance levels, to spot uptrends, downtrends and other key patterns on the market. Make sure to watch this video till the end because maybe you will find this way of trading suitable to your style. It could help you to earn profit once you master it. I want to remind you that I'm using 15-second Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market, and today I will open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the certain situation. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in it. So guys, let's start by drawing a horizontal line at the lower values of the candlestick data. We define the support level here, and we see that the price has already touched this level twice, and after the second touch there was a rollback upwards. Then after the rollback the price turned around and is approaching our level again. So at the moment red candles are forming predominantly. Also guys, at the same time we see that the main price highs are becoming lower. That is, the price has a good potential to go down here. I suggest in this situation to open a deal with a margin for 3 minutes to go down on a downtrend. Guys, at the moment the price is moving in a consolidation zone. However, it is likely that the price will continue to move down towards the support level in the near future. Guys, we will try to make money on this movement. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Well guys, that's great. The price continued to move in the consolidation zone, but still the closing point of the deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. Guys, this means that we got the profit here just now. The price is at the top of the price of this price corridor, and it's quite likely that in the near future it will continue to move down. Therefore, here's just opening a deal again on the downside for 3 minutes. We see that the price is pushing off from the upper level of the corridor and moving down. We are going to try to make money on this downward movement just after our deal was opened as strong red candlesticks formed. So guys, the price is likely to continue to move down. I hope that this time will be enough in this situation. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well guys, that's great. The price continued to move in this corridor, and as you can see, after the rollback, the downward movement continued again to the lower support level of the price corridor. And we managed with you to make money on this movement. Guys, at the same time, 3 minutes was just enough for us. Also, guys, as you can see, the price has already gone beyond the price corridor and continued to move to the main support level, which is lower. And this means that our technical analysis was correct and we were able to predict the further price movement. So guys, in this situation I propose to set support and resistance levels. First we will set the upper resistance level. We will draw a horizontal line at the upper values of the candlesticks. Then we will copy the line and draw it at lower values of the candles. Here we will determine the support level. Currently we can see that the price moving within a certain price range. This means that the price is reacting to these levels and moving in the opposite direction. Here's just to open a deal with a margin for 5 minutes to go down. According to the downtrend, we can see that the price is currently moving in waves. Also at the time of the opening deal, we can see that the price is already pushed off from the upper resistance zone and is moving downward. This means that it is more likely that the price will continue to move in a downtrend in the near future. Guys, in other words, the price will continue to move towards the support level that is located below. And guys, this downward movement is where we will try to make money. And because there's still enough space before the support level, I took such time. So guys, I hope this time is enough. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. So my dear traders, it's quite good. As you can see, the prices indeed continued to move towards the level and we made a profit here. At the same time, 5 minutes were enough for us. Once again, we have successfully predicted the future movement of the chart. And as you can see, guys, such trading situations often work out well. And so let's continue our trading, guys. Okay, here at the top we have a resistance level. And guys, at the same time, we also see that at the moment there is a good confident uptrend. Predominantly green candles are formed. Also, at the same time, there is still room before the resistance level. I suggest in this situation also open 5-minute deal to go up on the uptrend with a greater probability that in the near future the price will continue to move to the level. On this upward movement, we will try to make money with you. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough this time, even take into account the possible consolidation or rollback down. Well guys, let's wait for the result. Great, my dear traders, the price continued to move upwards and we got the profit here. We have successfully predicted the further price movement of the chart and earned money from it, and the price here has a good potential for growth. Guys, let's continue our trading session. As you can see, there was a downtrend. Additionally, there is support level at the bottom. So there was a rebound from this level, and after this rebound, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we can see there's still room for the support level, and in this case, I just opened 5-minute deal to go down on a downtrend. We can also see that the main price highs are getting lower, indicating that the price has good potential to decline. It is possible that the price will continue moving towards the level, guys. We'll try to profit from this movement. I hope that in this case 5 minutes will be enough, and also take into account possible consolidation or a rollback upwards. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So my dear traders, that's excellent. The price continued to move down and the support level was also broken. Here we got the profit, guys. 5 minutes was just enough for us. Such trading situation worked out quite well. And so my dear traders, let's continue. So here below we see the support level. At the same time, we see that at the moment there is a downtrend and the price is moving down quite confidently and is approaching our level. Also guys, at the same time, there is still room before the support level. I suggest in this case to open a deal with a margin for 3 minutes down on the downtrend. Guys, in the near future, the price will continue to move down. That's what I predict. Since the price also has a good potential to go down, there have been quite few confident red candles recently. And this means that the price has a good potential to go down, and it is quite possible that it will continue to move down. Guys, we'll try to make money on this movement, and I hope that this time will be enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So my dear traders, that's quite good. The price really continued to move towards the level and we got the profit here. 3 minutes were just enough for us, and we have once again correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart and to earn on it. Guys, as you can see, this situation really works well in most cases. So guys, here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. Also after the first touch of the level, there was a rollback down, and now after the rollback, the price turned around and green candles began to form. Guys, at the moment the price is approaching the resistance level again. I suggest in this case to open 2-minute deal to go up on the uptrend. The price has a good potential to rise here, and with a great probability that in the near future the price will continue to move upward. It's also quite possible that this level will be broken. It's on this moment that we will try to make money, guys. And since the price is moving quite confidently, I think that 2 minutes will be enough for us in this case, even take into account possible consolidation or a rollback downwards. Guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, that's quite good. The price really continued to move up after the rollback. Also the level was broken and we got the profit here. 2 minutes was just enough for us. We correctly managed to predict the further price movement of the price. These situations worked out perfectly. And so guys, let's continue. So guys, here we see the resistance level. And in this case, I suggest to open a deal for literally 1 minute on the uptrend. Since we see that the price has approached the resistance level, and at the time of the opening deal, it has already started to go beyond it. Guys, just now the impulsive green candles are being formed, and we understand that at the moment there is a break of the resistance level. It is on this upward movement, on the break of the level, that we will try to make money. Guys, as a rule, 1 minute is quite enough in such situation. That is, we have just got into the very impulsive movement of the price upward of the at the very moment of breaking of the level. Guys, let's wait for the result. So my dear traders, as you can see, the resistance level was broken and impulsive green candles were formed. At the same time, 1 minute was just enough for us, guys. We were able to earn on this confident upward movement on the breaking through the resistance level. Guys, let's continue. So guys, here we see that we have a support level at the bottom. We also see that the price has now approached our level. There are quite confident red candles forming. Right now, the price has reached the level and there is a certain fading out. We also see that a green candle is beginning to appear. Here we'll open a deal for a minute to go up. Guys, it is more likely that after a confident downward movement from the support level, there will be a reaction. This means that the price will enter the correction zone and there will be at least a slight upward rebound. Guys, it is on this upward corrective movement that we will try to make money. As a rule, 1 minute in such cases is totally enough, and I hope that at least a small upward rollback will occur this time. Guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, such a dangerous moment, but still the upward movement continued and we got the profit here. Guys, we managed to work with you on this upward corrective movement. 1 minute was just enough for us. Indeed, from the support level came the reaction. Guys, there was a very small rollback upwards, but as we see now, the market is still dominated by a downtrend and the price continues to move down. Guys, there is a breakthrough of the support level, but the most important here, guys, we were able to earn money. So let's continue, guys. Okay, guys, our last deal. Here we have a resistance level at the top, and also we see that after touching this level there was a rollback down, and now after the rollback the price has turned around and approaching our level again. So I suggest in this case to open a deal literally for 2 minutes to go up on the uptrend. We see that the price has a good potential for increase. Also, the next price minimum becomes higher than the previous one. Also, recently the price has been moving up quite confidently. Green candles are predominantly forming. At the moment, there is a certain tightening of the level, thus we understand that it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also possible that this level will be broken. We'll try to make money on this upward movement. I believe that 2 minutes will be sufficient, even considering the possibility of consolidation or downward rollback. Guys, let's wait for the result. So my dear traders, the price really continued to move up. Also, the resistance level was broken and here we got great and confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us, guys, and meanwhile I already have $23,000 on the deposit, guys. I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That was amazing. So my dear traders, this is the end. So as you can see, guys, all our deals worked out perfectly today. Market patterns repeat themselves, and once you will learn how to spot them, you will use it to your advantage. So guys, keep practicing, keep trading, and your results will improve. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free, but I share them only with those who are in my closed community. Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below, so don't forget to check it out. And so my dear guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.